Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. February is National Cherry Month and I've got a treat for y'all. Today we're going to make one of my other favorite drinks next to lemonade and sweet tea, cherry limeade. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious. It's going to be full of citrus and cherry flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It'll be a hit at your Super Bowl party. Also great for the spring and summer months. It is so refreshing and it will quench up your thirst. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more Super Bowl recipes, check out my Super Bowl and Game Day recipes playlist and my previous video, Shrimp and Grits Toast. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pitcher, your maraschino cherries, and your lime juice, sugar, because we're about to make some cherry limeade magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our lime juice. I have 8 limes, and it's very important to use fresh lime juice. Really makes a difference. So we're going to take our lime, and we're going to roll it. It makes the lime nice and juicy. And we're going to cut it in half, like so. And we're just going to squeeze it into our measuring cup. Alrighty, as soon as I get through squeezing my limes, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through squeezing my limes, and we have 1 1/4 cups of freshly squeezed lime juice. Now it's time to make our simple syrup. In my medium saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in our fresh lime juice. And into our lime juice, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of white sugar. And we're going to give it a quick stir until it's well combined. And all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, our liquid has came to a boil. So now we're going to let it cook for about 3 minutes until the sugar dissolves. Alrighty, my friends, our simple syrup is complete. And off camera, I poured it into my measuring cup. So now we're going to let it cool. And as soon as it cools, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our simple syrup is nice and cool. We're ready to make our cherry limeade. In my pitcher, we're going to add in our cool, simple syrup. Next, we're going to add in a 1 16-ounce jar of maraschino cherries, a 1/2 cup of the maraschino cherry juice, a 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract, going to give it an extra flavor, and almond extract goes great with cherry. And last but not least, we're going to add in 2 liters of fresh lemon lime soda. I'm using 7-Up, or you can use Sprite or Starry. Look at those bubbles. And it smells good. Love the smell of cherry and lemon lime. Give it a quick stir until it's well blended. And that's it, my friends. How simple and easy was that? Our cherry limeade is ready to serve. So now I'm about to get my mason jars and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have my mason jars and I fill them up with ice. So now we're going to pour the cherry limeade. And there's a couple of more things we got to add to it. A lime slice. And the maraschino cherry. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Homemade cherry limeade. Doesn't that look good? And look at that beautiful red color. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Mmm. So crisp. Has a great sweet and tart balance. Oh, I'm in heaven. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Touchdown! Yum-o. Cherry limeade delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Much love and happy Super Bowl. Cheers! Mm-mm.